Please subscribe my channel and share to everyone. First question. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next. What is the capital city of India? What is the capital city of India? Answer. New Delhi. New Delhi. Next. Which state is also known as Fruit Bowl of India? Which state is also known as the Fruit Bowl of India? Answer. Himachal Pradesh. Answer. Himachal Pradesh. Next. Who discovered India? Who discovered India? Answer. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama. Next. Who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? Who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next. What is the national sport of India? What is the national sport of India? Answer. Hockey. Hockey. Next. Who is the current President of India? Who is the current President of India? Answer. Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu. Next. Which place in India is also known as the land of rising sun? Which place in India is also known as the land of rising sun? Answer. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Next. Where is the Taj Mahal located? Where is the Taj Mahal located? Answer. Agra. Answer. Agra. Who is called Pink City of India? Who is called the Pink City of India? Answer. Jaipur. Jaipur. Thank you for watching my video. All the best.